So, good morning. It's another day here in Lima and Miraflores. The other day we met this guy with a travel app. It's called TravelMate. It is a very easy guide to use. It's available here in Miraflores and Lima. Today we will use the app for a tour around Miraflores. We will now start at the Jose Avenue and then we will go down to Parque del Amor. So, we are here at the Park Kennedy. That is where our tour starts today. We will take the Jose Avenue. So please come along on this walk. This is the start of our route. Let's hit down here. I think we should continue our trip down this pedestrian. So this is a super nice walk. You are in the shadow from the trees, so you can even walk here in the middle of the day. You have these lovely benches you can sit on. There's a lot of coffee shop you can bring your coffee from. People are walking their dogs here. Here in the middle of the park, you can do a lot of things. You can sit at the bench, relax. You can be on your phone. Just, hang out in the shade. Have a beer, a cup of coffee, and then you can lay down. It's a lot of things you can do here in the park. Very relaxing. But I think we should continue walking. Let's head down the road. So we just arrived at the Parque Almirante, Miguel, Grau. This is a very beautiful park, but let's check it out. It's a very quiet area. It's a great place to walk your dog. There is a playground here to bring your kids. And look at the view. The ocean is amazing. Look at this. I wonder if we can see some surfers down here. It looks like there is something down here. Maybe it's a restaurant or... Look at this amazing view. It's the perfect place to do your morning jogging. There is many surfers that is up and about in this way. I'm heading down to this viewpoint. So the beaches in Lima, they go all the way around and follow the seashore here. You see the road down here, and the beaches is going all the way over there. Let's go down and have a coffee before we take the walk along the seaside and find a love park. Look at this very cute spot to have a coffee. Hello. This will be amazing. So we just sat down at this lovely viewpoint just to have a morning coffee. Look at the view here. It is so beautiful. Refreshing place to have a coffee. Or some sweets. Now we are leaving the restaurant. Recap. The juices, they were... I would give them 5 out of 10, if that much. They were a little bit watery, no fruit taste. Sandwich was okay, 7 out of 10. Coffee, 7 out of 10. So now we are heading towards the boardwalk here, towards the Parque del Amor. See you there. So now we are heading down the Parque del Libro. Let's head down here. There is a cool statue over here. Let's check it out. What is the name of this one? Let's go and check out the view. Okay. Look at this great space. We have some great places to visit for children, some water to play with, a lot of cool animal statues. You can sit on them, play with them. Yeah, and then you have this cool place over here with a roof. It's like a little what do you call it? China work here with the pandas and. So, yeah, what I meant to say was China Park. Anyways, the vibe with the pandas and everything down here. So we are here at the Marina Lighthouse. Let's just check what the TravelMate app says about this lighthouse. The Marina Lighthouse is an active lighthouse located in Miraflores, originally built in 1900 at Punta Coles. It was later moved to its current location in 1973. Situated in the Parque del Amor, it offers stunning views of the Pacific Oceans. And if you want to know more about the lighthouse or any other kind of attraction along the route, you can just press the automated guide that you have in the app, and it will tell you a lot more than this about all the attractions around here. So now we are going into the Amore Park. Here we have the famous statue, the Kiss. And everything in this park is about Amore. Look at this amazing view. Now we are approaching the famous statue. Let me reveal this for you. Hola! So a lot of people, they have put their their love on this wall. No gracias. So here at the Kiss, the TravelMate says the following about this place. El Beso. The Kiss is a historic monument and sculpture located in the Love Park in Miraflores. Created by Victor Delphin, it portrays a couple kissing and it's inspired by Anthony Gaudi's work. The park overlooks the Pacific Ocean. So, if we now press to hear what the TravelMate is saying, so now it generates an auto guide for us. Let's just hear what he is saying. Just give it 2 seconds.
Striking sculpture located in the Love Park, overlooking the Pacific Ocean in Miraflores, Lima, Peru. Created by the talented sculptor Victor Delphin, this iconic artwork captures a moment of love and passion between the artist and his wife. The sculpture is a symbol of romance and has become a popular spot for couples to visit and take photos. The Love Park, where El Beso stands, is said to be inspired by the renowned Parc Güell in Barcelona, designed by Antoni Gaudí. One interesting fact about this sculpture is that it commemorates a competition held by the mayor of the district.
This is great. It is an amazing app. So, but let's just continue our trip here before. Let's just continue walking. So we are here at the Larcomar. We are going to go for shopping and some lunch here, and maybe later we will stop by the Pullman rooftop bar. Let's head in. The Larcomar. Look at this view. It is amazing. Really a shopping center at the cliff. So here you can see the view from this cliffside. The shopping mall is hanging out at the cliff. And down here you see some restaurants. And behind you have all the shops. And behind the shops again, we have the Marriott Hotel. And that is supposed to be the best hotel in this city. I've not been there yet. Let's go and see if we can find a restaurant. This one I've heard about. It's called Tanta. I think we will. I think I understand why it's so great. Look at the view from Tanta. Hello. Let's order something and get some food in here. So we finally got to taste out the food at Tanta's. We had some different kind of dishes. We tasted ceviche, and that was, I think, the best dish in that place today. And then we had beef noodle with noodles. Same beef, same taste as lomo saltados. It was served with noodles instead of rice and potatoes, French fries. And then we had a quinoa salad, which also was really flavorful. So, and then we had 2 juices. The fresh juice at Tanta, it's amazing. So, yeah. So a little shopping that is necessary, right?
So where are we going now, Ina?
We are going to the rooftop at the Pullman Hotel to check out this venue. So this is the bar at Pullman. It's called Ambra. Let me show the view from the other side. So from here you have the view of the sea. And then you have the pool area, which is really cool. Look at this view. It's pretty. Here you have the second bar. You can see here are the menu. The drinks look so good, so I'm looking forward to try this one. Look at this drink. It's a blueberry tonic. Nice. Yeah. So from 4 o'clock, they have a DJ here. Should we just go home and change? Maybe we could continue the evening here. Let me show you a little bit from the pool. It's not that easy because, yeah, you know how it is to film in locations. It's not easy. So we were sitting here having a drink. Then maybe we'll go head back to your own hotel. So see you back there. So guys, this is the end of our walk. I hope you had a good time. For sure we did. So we're heading back to the hotel. And yeah. If you want to see more of this kind of travel, then like and subscribe. See you. Are you leaving?